rend les choses faciles et sèche-moi ces larmes de crocodile. Rends les choses faciles et sèche-moi ces larmes de crocodile.
So guys, this is the finished look. I ended up going for quite a bold red lip, and I chose the Maybelline one just because I know that it's really easy to find and it stays really well. It has a really nice matte finish. It is actually supposed to suit everybody's skin tone. It's one of the Made For Me lipsticks by Maybelline, and I went for more of a glowy skin and kind of like a touch of bronze on the eye and kind of like a pinky cheek, and then I added a little bit of peach at the end. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this look, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys, happy Valentine's Day.